video is going to be how I do my winter wind down routine. This is what I have been doing lately. Being the mom of a newborn baby is look crazy to say the least, but this is how I wind down every night to get, well, as much sleep as I can possible. First of all, I want to thank Teami Blends for sending me this butterfly tea to try. This thing is good. So let's go ahead and get into how I make it. So what you're going to need is your Teami tumbler, of course, your Teami blend tea, which today's video we're going to be talking about the butterfly tea, some lemon, which you can use real lemons, but I'm going to be using this lemon juice. That's what I always use for my teas. And then some honey. As you can see, your girl's been using the honey a lot, so I need to add that to my grocery list, but this is what we're going to use. So let's talk about the tumbler for a second. This is a tumbler. It has obviously the top that you drink from, and then it has a mesh liner in there so your tea just can brew and you can still drink as it's brewing, and it keeps you from drinking it. And then in the bottom, I really like that you can add extra tea if you're on the go and just keep it in this bottom compartment. So now, how do we make this amazing tea? And you take 1 teaspoon of the butterfly tea, pour it in your tumbler, and then just add hot water. Bam! Now that the hard part's over, all you're gonna do is add a little bit of lemon or honey. Honey can turn your tea pink and lemon can turn your tea purple. I add both and it usually ends up turning out like a purple color, dark purple color, which I think is so pretty. And then I go ahead and let that sit for a while. And while I let that sit, I go ahead and put my newborn baby to bed. I look forward to unwinding and drinking this tea every night. It just really helps me de-stress and relax. This tea is made from butterfly pea flowers, jasmine tea, and stevia leaf. I like that it has a little bit of stevia leaf in it because you don't have to add that much honey. Just a little swig is okay because it kind of has a sweet aftertaste to it. It's so good. This tea is also caffeine free, which means it's perfect before bed. I absolutely love it. Once I put baby to sleep, my tea should be cool now. I end up going into my room along with my planner and my journal. I like to write in my planner every night just to make sure I can tick off everything that I've accomplished during the day, and I can also add anything that needs to be added for the rest of the week. And then once that's done, just to free my mind a bit of this new mom brain, I like to relax and journal and just write different things, color sometimes, crossword puzzles, anything to help me be able to de-stress and get a good night's rest. Well, as much rest as I can before the next 2 or 3 hour feed for baby boy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out Teami Blends. All the information will be below in the description box. There's a discount code for my followers so you can save you some coin when purchasing the tea. They have all kinds of teas to try. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.